MarineMax of Westbrook. I'm Desiree and I'm going to walk you through our all-new Sea Ray 19 SPX. So in the front here we have some comfortable bow seating, and the cushions can just come up, and you have plenty of storage here. It's carpeted. Premium Fusion sound system. We have 2 speakers out front. Then at the helm station we have a swivel captain's seat with a booster. So if you're really short like me, you'll be able to see above the helm as you're underway. And what's really nice about this is that you can actually swivel this way and engage with all of your guests. As you can see, we have port side seating over here. And what's really cool about this is that this seat comes out and you can put this under here for storage. Just like that. And then back here you have another very large storage compartment. You could put plenty of life jackets, wakeboards, etc. And as you come back here to the transom, you have an extra wide swim platform that has a sea deck on it. So it's really nice because it doesn't overheat. This vessel also comes with an igloo cooler. Back here, you can just close this. So that's it for today. Feel free to come by and see us. We're located at 627 Boston Post Road in Westbrook, Connecticut. Thanks for watching.